We all dream of financial freedom, but for many, it seems like an unattainable goal. However, what if I told you that there's a blueprint, a proven method that can turn your financial situation around in just 6 months? Number 1. Establishing a budget. Poor financial habits often stem from a lack of understanding where our money is going. By creating a detailed budget, you gain clarity on your income and expenses, allowing you to make informed decisions about your finances. Number 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you're overspending and trim the fat. Whether it's dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more cost-effective alternatives, every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Number 3. Increase income. While cutting expenses is crucial, boosting your earning potential can expedite your journey to wealth. Explore side hustles, negotiate a raise at work, or invest in your skills to unlock new opportunities for income growth. Number 4. Invest wisely. Building wealth isn't just about saving. It's about making your money work for you, from stocks and real estate to starting a business. Strategic investments can generate passive income streams that accelerate your path to riches. Number 5. Stay disciplined. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial success. Stay committed to your goals and resist the temptation to revert to old habits. Remember, consistency is key. Keep your eye on the prize, and you'll be amazed at how far you can come in just 6 months. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but what you do with what you have. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to level up your financial game. Until next time, take care and invest in your future.